In 2018, Lion Air Flight 610 departed from Sukarno-Hatta International Airport to Dapati Amir Airport for a short flight, but after a few minutes, the pilot noticed a major issue with the plane. The nose of the plane kept dipping during the ascending process, and just 13 minutes after takeoff, the plane crashed into the Java Sea, killing all 189 members on board. The plane was Boeing 737 MAX, and the plane had a major issue that during the takeoff, the nose was too high, and without fixing the issue, Boeing installed a software to push the nose back to the correct position. But in Flight 610, this software malfunctioned.